Curious, engaging. You can draft the most elegant user interface in the world, but if you try to evaluate that layout empty, the design collapses. Force. They sit at their keyboards, manually typing out fake usernames, guessing at exact paragraph lengths, and copying and pasting endless lines of formatting just to make a mock-up look functional. This completely stalls the wireframing phase. Instead of engineering the application's logic, highly paid software engineers spend hours acting as glorified data typists. Evaluating modern digital architecture requires structural data to lean on. Realistic placeholder content is a mandatory dependency for UI and UX designers, not a luxury. The industry's default alternative to manual typing is using third-party server-side data generators. But these tools introduce their own friction. Developers are forced into account creation loops, and because the data is generated remotely, every batch request adds processing latency to a workflow that needs to be instant. More importantly, there is a severe security risk. This diagram shows what happens to your requests. When you send exact layout requirements and database column names out to an unknown external server, you are exposing proprietary backend schemas to the public internet. Trading manual typing for external server reliance solves one problem, but creates a larger one, transforming a simple prototyping step into a severe privacy vulnerability. Prime ToolHub built the free Lorem Ipsum and JSON Dummy Data Generator Pro to bypass this entirely. It is a completely local, zero-registration utility. For front-end layout, it generates mathematically distributed Latin text. You specify the exact number of words, sentences, or paragraphs you need, and the algorithm outputs natural-looking placeholder text to stress-test your typography. But modern frameworks require structured tags. The tool features automated HTML wrapping, acting as a crucial bridge to functional code. The wrapper instantly encapsulates generated text into clean paragraph tags. You copy it once and paste it directly into your code editor. Automating that structural layer removes the tedious formatting syntax from your plate, allowing you to focus your attention entirely on evaluating the interface. While generating plain text solves typography issues, modern web applications run on complex data structures. Designing a robust dashboard requires heavy, realistic mock data. The tool includes a JSON data array builder, capable of instantly synthesizing up to 5,000 distinct realistic records in a single click. Instead of generic filler, you toggle between 17 different data feeders. Build exact mock user profiles using valid email formatting, detailed street addresses, specific job titles, and secure unique identifiers. Generating massive data is viable through client-side computation. Algorithms run entirely within your browser's local memory. This completely eliminates server-side delays, generating a 5,000-row JSON array instantly. Because the engine operates 100% offline, your proprietary database structures never leave your machine, guaranteeing enterprise-grade privacy. True development agility requires mass structural data synthesis to be completely decoupled from slow external servers. The final phase of this prototyping workflow is extracting that locally synthesized data and moving it directly into your live development environment. Developers can use native one-click export features to safely download the output. The tool instantly saves the exact schema you built as formatted JSON files, ready HTML layouts, or plain text files straight to your hard drive. Compare this to manually typing fake names for hours or waiting on external servers that expose your data structures. Prime ToolHub offers an instant, secure reality that completely bypasses those obsolete, friction-heavy workflows. You can eliminate these bottlenecks and secure your development cycle today by integrating this prototyping utility into your daily stack. Achieving highly realistic interface evaluation without sacrificing local privacy or processing speed is the definitive baseline for modern software engineering.